Hello, and welcome to ShipU Stats. This is the introductory video for the data cleaning playlist on ShipU Stats. Data cleaning is the process of transforming your raw data into usable data for analysis. Despite its name, there's nothing malicious about data cleaning. All we're doing is changing or transforming our raw data into usable data for analysis. All of your data, once transformed, is still entirely based off of the data that you have collected. There are many aspects of data cleaning, and we'll be going over some of them in this playlist. This includes setting the correct variable type, nominal, ordinal, or scale, labeling our variable names, as well as individual categories within nominal and ordinal variables, shifting our scale of measure, reverse coding our variables, and computing new variables. Lastly, we'll go over how to screen our data. All right, on to the playlist.